Say goodbye to pesky bugs with this simple DIY. Hey there, nature lovers.
Subscribe.
Are you tired of battling mosquitoes and ants invading your space? We've got the perfect solution for you, and it's all natural. Introducing our easy-to-make, highly effective insect repellent recipe. All you need are 2 tablespoons of cloves, 2 bay leaves, half a cup of white vinegar, and a glass of water. Before we get into making this special potion, let's quickly talk about why these ingredients are perfect for the job. Cloves contain eugenol, a compound with insecticidal properties, deterring mosquitoes and ants effectively. Bay leaves emit a specific odor that repels insects, making them less likely to invade your space. White vinegar's unpleasant smell acts as a deterrent for mosquitoes and ants, making it a great addition to your insect repellent. Combine these ingredients with water to create a safe, effective, and affordable insect repellent for you, your family, and the environment. It's easy to make and smells fantastic. Put the water in a pot, add the cloves and bay leaves, and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Once cooled, strain the mixture. Add the white vinegar, give it a good mix, and transfer it to a spray bottle. Voila! Your natural bug repellent is ready to use. Why resort to harsh chemicals when Mother Nature provides us with everything we need? So what are you waiting for? Give this DIY insect repellent a try and reclaim your outdoor oasis without harming our precious ecosystem. Share this post with your friends and family. Let's spread the word about the power of natural remedies and make bug-free living a reality for everyone. Together, we can protect our planet and enjoy the great outdoors in peace. Happy spraying.